Welcome back to Shaving Down Under. We have a new unboxing. Let's get the Gillette office knife out. Pretty sharp office knife. Although I think this blade's getting a little blunt. I think I know what this is, but not 100%. That's all we need. The knife. No, it's not. But, yeah. I thought it was another razor, but as you know, we've all seen one of these. So this one's in really nice condition, especially the case. So hopefully that'll clean up just a little better than what it is. There goes the cat. He's hanging out because he wants a feed. Out the way. You're a naughty cat. So that's it inside. So I was lucky enough to get this at a very cheap price, to be honest with you, from my local, from where I live. So that's all working in nice condition. So I will clean this up and put it on the market. Not the cat, the razor and case. So I'll put this video up tonight, and if anyone's interested in buying it, hit me up. No worries. Well, there it is. Thanks for watching. We'll chat soon. Ciao for now.